31's changing tabletop infant baby nursery diaper by Costway is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. This changing tabletop is a nice selection for your beloved kids to have their diapers changed easily. Simplify changing time with this changing top, which is constructed of MDF, offering a durable use in the long term. You will find it an easy way to transform your dresser into a convenient changing table. It makes diaper duty doable with its secure and sturdy design. Best of all, when your child outgrows to it, you can just remove it to reclaim the space on top of the dresser. Brand new and high quality. Durable construction. Safe and convenient. Changing top for dresser is constructed from MDF. ASTM safety standards. Safety and security features. Non-toxic finish, lead-free. Specifications. Color: yellow. Material: MDF. Weight: 12 lbs. Assemble dimensions: 31. 5 inches by 30 inches by 4 inches, L by W by H. Package includes 1 by changing table dresser top, brand new and high quality. Durable construction. Safe and convenient. Changing top for dresser is constructed from MDF. ASTM safety standards. Safety and security features. Non-toxic finish, lead-free.